So you want to share video with your group or your organization, but you want to keep things private. You want to share stuff though. And also you need sort of a manager who can do these things, who's not, me. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to use YouTube and I'm going to show you how to create a manager, how to be a manager, how to create a playlist, and how to add videos that are unlisted that you can then share privately with your group that no one else can see unless they have that link. Remember, just like anything, just like if you send a file to one person, that person could share that file, right? Same thing. It's a link. If somebody shares it, then it's shared. Okay, here we go. I'm logged in as me. This is my YouTube channel, and I'm not going to be doing it here. Another thing is, again, if you're with an organization, I highly, highly, highly recommend creating even if it's just, whatever at gmail.com, creating a YouTube channel, and then it's that organization's, because should you move to Tahiti and not be a part of the organization anymore, you want to make sure it's accessible by everybody else. So this is my YouTube channel. So you do need a Google account to be a manager, I'm pretty sure. I, of course, have a Google account. Google account also, it means Gmail, and it means YouTube, and it means calendar and all this stuff, right? So way up here, upper right, I'm going to go to my account, my little icon thingy, and I'm going to switch account. So here's my main account. Now here, see, there's two organizations I work with. Wide for the Wedding, Utrecht. I'm going to pick the Utrecht one here. So I'm a manager. See, I'm a manager. There we go. We're going to pick that one. Now I am managing this is the Utrecht Toastmasters YouTube channel, of course, right? Now, we actually don't care about subscribers at all. Sorry, subscribers. But this is really, we use this basically as a content warehouse for our videos, okay? So as you'll see, like if I go to content, I have made playlists in the past, right? I give them dorky names, which are the date, really. So there's that, right? So I want to make a new playlist for the latest videos. Okay, so I could upload videos, but I'm going to make a playlist. So then I have one place for the whatever 6, 7, or 8 videos that I'm going to upload. So here I'm going to call this, was it yesterday, March 21st, 2025. Okay, so this is the Utrecht Toastmasters. It's good if you spell things. Meeting, whatever, right? So this is important. This next part is super important. Public, this is the playlist status. This is public. That would mean anybody could see it and find it and watch it. I don't want that. Private is actually a different thing. Private is great, although it's quite a bit of work, right? Private is, I have to manually invite people per email address. They need to be logged in with that email address to see the video. So this is like the top level of private. If you really, really, really don't want anybody sharing anything with people, then this is good. And then you just have to invite them per email address, and then they can see it. That is way too much hassle for us, so we're not going to do that. So here, I now have a playlist. That's the boring date. The title, if it needs to be more descriptive, go for it. So now add videos. So this is nice. I'm already going to add them directly to my playlist. No, I'm not, because, okay, now I just learned something. I thought I could upload from here. I'm not going to do that. That was I can add existing videos. I'm not going to do that at all. I'm going to create the playlist. And can I do it here? There we go. Upload new videos. That's what I want. So here, I can either drag or drop, or I'm going to go select. And I have made my little folder, my little dorky 5,000 folders here. So here are my, 10 videos that are going to go up on YouTube. Now, another reason I'm doing this is, if you can see that, 10 documents, 6 gigabytes, right? That's a lot. If you're thinking of Google Drive or Dropbox or any of that stuff, you've got to pay for space. YouTube ain't no pay for no space. So that's kind of cool, right? So now it's going to upload them. You can, by the way, you can do this from your phone, from I can't remember if it's the YouTube app itself or the YouTube Studio app, but one of them you can just be on your phone. think it's just the YouTube app. So again, you'd need to be on the YouTube app and then logged in as the manager, or logged in as yourself, and then choose which site, which YouTube channel you're working on, and then upload to that channel. So you can do it directly from your phone, which is kind of cool, right? And because here I'm on a computer, obviously, and I already had downloaded, I'm an Apple guy, so they went from Apple Photos to photos on my computer, and then I dragged them into a file folder, and then they're just sort of regular files, and then that's what I'm uploading now. And if that's too much hassle, and it is, it's a bit of a hassle, right? I have to wait till they're uploaded to my computer, or I can move them from my phone to my computer manually, or I can just do all this from my phone. Now, what's a little trickier from your phone is the next part, which is then, renaming them. And I'm not sure you can create a playlist from your phone. So at the very least, you could upload the photos from your phone, the videos from your phone, and then go organize, right? So as we see here, as I'm talking, it's uploading away. Remember, this is 6 gigabytes of data, right? If you're using a regular Google account, I think it's either 15 or 30 gigabytes that you get. And that's going to be up in a few meetings, right? So that's another big reason for using YouTube. Also with YouTube, I mean, clearly I'm a fan. I wouldn't be doing this video if I weren't such a fan. But what's so nice is you can just share one video with one link and pretty much everybody can see it, right? Everybody can see YouTube. And if they don't have the YouTube app, at least they have you can see it in a browser. It's not like SoundCloud or Google Drive, or I don't have my Google Drive account, or I don't have a Google account. Anybody can see a YouTube video, right? So it's really handy in sharing. Okay, I am not going to wait for these entire things. So I'm going to show you here. So currently they are draft. They are not visible to anyone, not even the unlisted, not the link. Nope, it's a draft. And I'm pretty sure when you upload manually, you have to now do this. I think I have to do every single one, right? So I go edit draft, and then what I would do is I'm just going to pretend on this one and make up a fake name, which is always Samantha. And then I'm going to say this is, I don't know, speaker, and then March 21st. Okay, something like that, right? I'm not going to bother with description, all that stuff. I'm not going to bother with upload thumbnail. Look, it's already in the good playlist, right? That's the playlist I want. Another thing I think I need to do, excuse me, sometimes you need to check this. I used to think, oh, it's fine for kids. No, it's okay. No, if it's for kids, it's kind of like really geared towards kids. So you just want, no, it's not made for kids. Then, okay, we did the title. I'm in the proper playlist. If you really want to go crazy and do thumbnails, go crazy. I don't know who that is, right? So I need to clearly come over here and change that. Next, I'm not going to get into fancy stuff, right? Ads and screens, ad cards. I'm not going to do all that stuff. Next. So here, this is the important part. Private, unlisted, public. I want unlisted. Okay. So I'm going to go save. And now one of my 10 videos is ready to go. The fake Samantha, she was a speaker, March 21st, whatever. Okay. Close. And now I need to do these manually each time. I mean, takes me 20 seconds. If you get a little fancy with your titles, you don't have to type it in every time, then you're good. Okay. So that's it. Then I'm going to wait for these guys to I'm not going to make you wait, but I would wait for these to upload. I would do the little manual, change the name. What do I do? Name, playlist. It should be in the right playlist. And then the most important is the status, the public or private or unlisted. Now, one last fun thingy is it this one? Yes, this is the one I want. So here this is the playlist, right? March, that's the name of the playlist. But this is what I want. Get shareable link. So link copied to clipboard. So now I have a shareable link for the playlist itself. And that is kind of cool. So if you think about this, I mean, for example, this group, we have, dozens of members. We're in a WhatsApp group. And I'm not going to share 10 videos. I'm going to share one link to one playlist where then they're going to get this nice list, something like this, and they're going to be able to watch the video they want based on the title. So another bonus of this is, it's kind of fun if you're interested, are stats, right? Like views and comments and stuff. So you can see, should this be relevant? You can see, oh, look, that one got more views, or maybe it's training, right? For your internal training for your company. Oh, this training got the most views, or, you know, YouTube has stats galore. So feel free to play with that. Okay, that's all I really wanted to show you. If you want to get really fancy, and I actually do this, I think it's, see, I do like to do a thumbnail for the playlist. I think I'm in Studio now, remember? I think I can't do that in Studio. Is it here? I'm just going to see. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so here now, for whatever reason, right, this is studio.youtube.com. This is youtube.com. And check out over here, right? Notice I'm still logged in as Utrecht, right? So now if I wanted to change this thumbnail, I can come to this little image and I pick a different image and I make a better thumbnail for the playlist, which is kind of cool when it shows up in your link that you share. Okay? All right, that's it. That is how to use YouTube to share videos privately, or as privately as you want, with YouTube and using a manager account. Now remember, I did log in as the main YouTube owner, a YouTube channel owner for Utrecht Toastmasters at some point, and I made Bradley, a manager. So somebody has to the owner has to make the person a manager. And correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure they need to be a Google account. So that's it. All right, I hope that helped, and see you next time. Bye for now.